So finally, a brand new screen or an LCD display for the Nokia C3. So I'm very excited for opening it and replacing my Nokia C3 over here. As you can see, it's white screen, it's a bunch of black over here, black marks or black screen or something. So yeah. So let's unbox this brand new screen. So yeah, so there's a new screen for the C3, Nokia C3 over here. It's a pretty good condition. That's nice. As you can see. Alright, so we're gonna replace my C3 over here. So let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna remove the battery first, the back case. My small battery over here, so we're gonna remove it. And we're gonna remove this, the front housing, the front one. Alright, and keypad. So there were 2 screws. It's supposed to be 4, but there are some things missing there, so I'm gonna remove 2 screws. But for sure, it needs to be 4 screws. So. Alright, so when you remove all the 4 screws, I only have 2 screws. I don't know why. And also, you can remove the screen. It can lift up, but there were some things wrong with these 2 screws. So I'm gonna get something for the new screen. I'm gonna remove the LCD screen right here, as you can see. But if you want to remove it, because this screen is bad, really want to remove it just like that. I can throw this away or 4 parts, so let's remove. There's some dirt on the mid frame or the LCD frame. Alright, so we're gonna put the battery for testing it, if it works. I only have the small one. Oh, okay. Oh, it works. Let's see if it's showing up. Yes, it is. Nice. Looks like it's showing. What? There's another logo showing up again. Alright, so save. Alright. Alright, so let's try some other ones. Works. Has bounced tails. That's a pretty good one. And there's no sounds. Alright, so we're gonna get back the housing. Alright, it works. Alright, so we're gonna get back all these. I already put all the screws, and we're gonna get back all the housing. The keypad, the front housing. Should be careful. The battery, I only have the small one, and the case, the back case. Alright, so let's turn it on to the new screen. Alright, screw that old screen. So welcome, and here it is, a brand new screen. That's a pretty good. the startup twice. Alright. So yeah, that's the replacement for the brand new LCD for the Nokia C3. So I was very happy it works, and it has a pretty cool wallpaper, or a live wallpaper. So yeah, I'm very happy because I got this phone. Works now. So yeah, works all. Let's try to keep it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos like these, more replacement. So see you guys next time. Peace out.